So for today's breakfast, I'm making avocado toast. For here, I have taken 2 avocados. Then I'll be adding chopped bell pepper, chopped cucumber, and chopped tomatoes. You can add onion too. Um, then I am adding salt, pepper and lemon pepper seasoning, and at the end I am also gonna add little bit of lemon juice. Then I'm going to mix it all up and spread it over bread. And hi guys, good morning. I'm Shrijita. Welcome back to my channel. Today is Sunday. As you guys saw me making our breakfast. So yeah, right now I'm going to have my breakfast, that is avocado toast and fried egg poach. So yeah, and what else? Oh, yesterday we went to Ikea. I got few things from there. I'm going to show you guys in a minute. And then I'm going to prep for lunch, and today's lunch menu is chili chicken and fried rice. So yeah, now let's get on this video. So first I got this planters. Last time I show you guys that I got some plants, but I didn't like any planters, so I got these 3 different sizes. This pot is for my aloe vera plant. This pot is for my marigold plant. I show you guys last vlog, I think. And this one is one for the daisy gardenia, one for money plant, and this one is for this plant, which I also got from Ikea. So yeah, and I also got this what is called planter stand. Like, you can use this way like this. If you have the bigger planter, you can use this way also. So I got this one as well. Then I got this 2 lucky bamboo plants. This is so pretty. And I also got 2 vases. The bigger one, I'm not sure yet how I'm going to use it. And the smaller one I specifically got for these 2 lucky bamboo plants. So yeah. Then I got this glasses. It's a 6-pack glass set. It's a plain basic one. Then I got this spoon holder for my drawer organization. So yeah. Then I got this chopping board, and then I got this table turner. I'll show you guys why I got this one. Maybe my kitchen organization video. So yeah. So first I'm going to marinate the chicken with ginger paste, garlic paste, little bit of soy sauce, salt and pepper. Before frying the chicken, after the marination, I'll be adding corn flour and 2 teaspoons of all-purpose flour and mix it all up, and then I'm going to fry it. Now for the sauce, I am first adding ginger garlic paste, sauteing it for a few minutes. I'm gonna add onion, bell pepper and chopped green chilies. Then I'm going to add salt, soy sauce and tomato ketchup and also black pepper. Then I add water. After it boils, I am adding 2 teaspoons of corn flour water mix so that the sauce will get thick. After that, I switch off the gas and then I will be adding the fried chicken, and yeah, it's ready. Then I also plan to make beguni, that is crispy eggplant. So for the batter I have taken besan, that is gram flour, and I also add baking powder and salt and pepper. And now I'm going to whisk it and make it a lump free smooth batter. Now I'm chopping up some vegetables for the rice. Here I'm using green beans, green bell pepper and carrots. For the fried rice I have already made the white rice. Now in a pan I am adding a cube of butter. After it melts I'll be adding the veggies and after sauteing it for a few minutes I'll be adding the cooked white rice. And then I also added salt and little bit of sugar, and I also added raisins. So yeah. Whenever you're making beguni or this crispy eggplant, try to make the slices very thin. I'm not at all expert in this, so as you guys can see, but anyways I'll make thin slices. Now I'm going to coat the eggplant slices into the batter, and then I'm going to fry it. You need to deep fry this eggplants, otherwise it will not come out that crispy. So yeah guys, that is all for my today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up and comment down below. If you love to watch my videos but still didn't subscribe to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel. That will be awesome. And yeah, I'm going to see you guys on my next video very soon. Till then, keep smiling, stay healthy. Bye guys.